everyone. How are you? I hope you all are well. I'm Fauzaan Shujath and I'm studying in class 6. This is my channel Car and Life. And welcome to the first quick shorts video in Car and Life. So this is basically quick news car alerts in 1 minute. So yeah, let's continue. Today we have news about the Toyota Yaris replacement. If you don't know, the Toyota Yaris is a slow seller of Toyota, which competes with the Skoda Rapid and the Ciaz, which is eventually being phased out. But it doesn't mean Toyota won't have a competitor in the segment. Toyota is set to launch the Toyota Belta. The Toyota Belta is a rebadged version of the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. This vehicle is just like the other two vehicles Toyota rebadged, the Glanza and the Urban Cruiser, which were slightly tweaked and sold as Toyota models. This car has a face similar to the changes made on the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza by Toyota, which Toyota renamed as the Urban Cruiser. Prices will expect the prices to be very similar or probably even less.